Hi guys! Have you ever had yogurt and mint together in a drink? It is a refreshing, healthy, and tasty smoothie that you can enjoy during the hot summer days or even as a simple breakfast smoothie. As you all may know by now that yogurt contains a lot of protein and is great for your gut health. But we just don't know how to incorporate it into our diet every day, or you simply don't like the taste of it. Personally, I don't like the taste of plain yogurt. But let us keep all those reasons aside and I will show you this healthy and yummy recipe. First, let's go pluck a few mint leaves from my plant I grew in a pot in the garden and we will wash them. Mint contains rosmarinic acid, which is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. The aroma of the mint is menthol, which might help to break up phlegm and mucus. Mint also helps an upset stomach or indigestion, and it works against harmful microbes. It is best to consume the mint raw, like in a smoothie or salad, to preserve the benefits of it. I'm sure you all know the endless benefit of yogurt. When you purchase yogurt, make sure to look for the live active cultures on the back label. Those are probiotics that are helpful for irritable bowel syndrome and your gut health. Most common probiotics are bifidobacterial and lactobacillus. Also, consuming yogurt on a regular basis will strengthen your immune system. Yogurt will increase good HDL cholesterol, which helps protect your health. Yogurt contains phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium, which are minerals that help regulate blood pressure, metabolism, and bone health. Some studies have shown that yogurt may lower body weight, body fat percentage, and waist circumference. It improves metabolism, therefore helps burn more calories. For the recipe, we will mix all the ingredients in a blender and blend that for at least 30 seconds to a minute. You will need 1 cup of plain yogurt, 3 teaspoons of sugar, or you can add honey or other sugar substitutes, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using the pink Himalayan salt. Sprinkle around 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 3 to 4 mint leaves. Finally, add 4 cups of water. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.